I'm Caleb, one of the gunsmiths at Kentucky Gun. We run a full-service gunsmithing shop down at the Bardstown location. Spring turkey season's coming up. One thing that a lot of hunters do to get an edge in turkey woods is to mount an optic on their shotgun. That's what we're going to be doing today. Let's take a look at the process. After we finish this little job, all we have to do is mount an optic and we're almost ready for the turkey woods. We do this and a whole lot more here at Kentucky Gun Company. Stop on by.